Seod nua is saol an cheol tradiisiúnta is at the Gloaming. Grúpa atá cóhéanta de cúigear fearr atá ar fad aitheanta mar cheoltóirí Dard Caighdeán as a gomas féin.
Couple of years ago, I was going to traha der bohar ormo. Hussi my hand agus moving on music. A couple of kila agus mar cudge den fila if you going to am shin hugmidge the gloaming who's couple first ya agus fish and book punch you know done fila shin agus for my scarcho brand at a mon moving on music or normal just a gear fella making rusimogin on a group of horse rice couple first job is lemes jacketira no film brass as the mar sar culture at a guest agus shilem hen go and gig shot and gig is small o heave culture tradition them first Lena.
Seo ceol nua amsúra atá fós hain dílis don tradiisiún. Measc an daran cuachtacha agus foin splódracha atá gceist, le taithí na blianta fada acu ag ceol os cóir lucht féiceanna ar fud na cruinne.
In the original coming together of the band, the idea was to, I think in my imagination at least anyway, I felt that we were all musically sympathetic to the same kind of ideas and moods and music and stuff that we were attracted to. Largely the repertoire we have was kind of composed on the spot. When we came together, we spent a week in a studio kind of trying to get some material together. And so the arrangements and everything just kind of grew there on the spot, like, you know, we all were in the room more or less. We've had a great time, you know, we enjoyed. I mean, we don't do a huge amount of this. I mean, it's a kind of a new band still, so we're still very excited every time we get a chance to play.
An ban cheolsó le chéile so rá bbliana hinnar le héad agus so raibh sa sim ag Martin agus le rud ag an dhéanamh le chéile ach bhíidir caint mar eolar an rud seo dhéanamh leis na mblianta nuas ach bharrtaigh siad rud ag an dhéanamh agus phléigh siad cébe cheart na daoine eile bheith páirt a chaun so chur an gléchormsa.
Sorrow, sorrow.
Bhí anna thuras going is doch cúig gigs a going mar himplan na tíre bailach líor dús hí a gorcha in son agus kildaras socha an dún léire agus an méilferste. Bhí an slúd gohúntaach mar bhíon I gcónaí méilferste.
Sorrow, sorrow.
Tá album nua going is socha me sé amach raibh an saoire seo going taftach mílúnas a scáte is a Grouse Lodge agus tá muid go léir an bhródú las tá féin ceapgar anna album atá like rud umtach anna cuachtach anna éagsúil.
In am na suamhnach, in am na splódrach, tá sé solar go bhfuil rud ag an speisialta idir lábha ag an grúpa seo.